Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will start the sustainable development. What do you mean by sustainable development? The term that sustainable development, which has its origin in the International Union for the Conservation of Natural Resources. International Union for the Conservation of Natural Resources, IUCN. IUCN, International Union for the Conservation of Natural Resources. In 1980, World Commission Strategy Reports. In 1980, that what came, that is sustainable development, origin from that International Union for the Conservation of Natural Resources. It means which way we can conserve our resources. In this chapter, that is environment chapter and sustainable development chapter, that mismatch in between the demand and supply. So we are increasing the demand of our using more and more resources, but the resources which is not to be fulfilled, how much we are using, the demand or using resources are more than that of that supply, which is that free gift of nature. That is why our thinkers, our planners, they thought how that resources should be reserved. That is why that word is to be used, that sustainable development. What do you mean by sustainable development? To survive, sustenance to survive. हमने survive करके किस तरीके से development कर सकते हैं? That is that sustainable development. So sustainable development is the development which will allow all future generations to have a potential average quality of life. It means हम दूसरे का जिंदगी से खिलवाड़ करके हम अच्छा से हम खुद रह जाएंगे और दूसरा का बुराई करेंगे, ये संभव नहीं होता है. This is the real life. It means which will allow all future generations to have a potential average quality of life. On that day I was giving that examples. Whenever we are using that different resources, we are increasing a higher standard of living, that uses of that utensils or that using that word standard of living, different kinds of products which are used by yourself, that products are made directly or indirectly made up from that natural resources or that environments. So which way it is to be destroyed or consuming more by day, the time will come, we will not get these natural resources for that more and more use in future times. That is why that things we need to develop ourselves, that how we can survive not for ourselves now, but also for that future generations. That is why that word is used, that sustainable development. How to survive, how to sustain. It means sustainable development is the development which will allow all future generations to have a potential average quality of life that is at least as high which is being enjoyed by the current generations. Again I repeat, what do you mean by sustainable development? The need found expression in the form of establishment of that World Commission on the Environment of Development Commissions, United Nations. I will say in detail that Brundtland Commissions क्या बताया क्या किया, but we have to know that first what do you mean by sustainable development. Here I have written that one sentence, sustainable development, or it can be defined as the development that meets the needs of the present that needs the needs of the present, that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Again I repeat, the sustainable development can be defined as a development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The growing realization of coming disaster in the form of resource exhaustions and pollution has brought the different states, the need for the scientific management of earth resources. This need found expression in the form of establishment of the World Commission on Environment and Development by the United Nations. The commission is also known as the Brundtland Commission after the chairman of the Gro Harlem Brundtland. The committee examined in the global environment and developmental problems in the environment and give or design the different kinds of solutions. The commission submitted report in the 1987. But this term sustainable development, which was origin in the International Union for the conservation of natural resources in 1980, that is the World Commission Strategy Reports. So more or less you know that what is sustainable development. The basic aim of sustainable development is to ensure that present generation should leave stock of quality life for next generation, which is no less than what we have inherited. It means what resources we have for the future generation, that should not be less, which is no less that we have inherited. It means हम कुछ चीज इनके लिए नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए छोड़ के जाएं जिससे इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा और दे कैन सर्वाइव. So environmentalists have used the term sustainability in an attempt to clarify the desired balance between economic growth one hand and environment preservation on the other. It means the economic growth depends on that productivities, the measures, different kinds of activities, economic activities, primary sectors, secondary sectors and tertiary sectors, which is that economic growth, and that productivity is used by that natural environment, natural resources. So we have to maintain that balance in between that economic growth and that environmental presentations and environmental preservations, which is the most important part, which is to be analyzed to be called that sustainable development. For economists, a development path is sustainable if the stock of overall capital assets remain the constant or rises over the times. Economic points of view, if our productivity will be increased, then we can say that increase our economic developments or economic growth, it should be continuous process. Standard of living will be increased, welfare will be increased, then that is to be called that economic growth. That is that view of the economists. Development path is to be continuing. But the sustainable term developments which come in the year of 1890 by the International Union for the Conservation of National Resources, according to the commissions, the sustainable development refers to the development that meets the need for the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. What I have written here. It means it meets the basic needs, that is employment, basic needs food, basic needs clothes, basic needs energy, basic needs housing, basic needs water. All the poor people, they can satisfy their basic needs. That is to be called that development, sustainable development. And they should ensure that growth of agriculture, manufacturing and services sectors to meet also these needs. So that is to be called that sustainable developments. So what is the aim or objective of the sustainable developments? It means sustainable and equitable use of resources. Sustainable and equitable use of resources to meet the needs of the present and future generation without causing damage to our environments. बिना एनवायरनमेंट को डैमेज की वेस्ट नहीं करके हम किस तरीका से डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द प्रोवाइडिंग आवर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट्स. इट मीन्स टू प्रिवेंट दैट फर्दर डैमेज टू आवर लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स, टू कंजर्व एंड नेचर दैट biodiversity and other resources for long-term food securities. Green Revolution started in the year of mid-60s. We are able to increase our food productions, agricultural food productions, but the production what we accrued, that was not for that update of that human beings. Really, we increase our productivity, but we create our health problems, we decrease our fertilities of the lands and our expenditures on the process of the food productions like fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, that should be increased day by day. So that we should feel that to conserve that nature, the biodiversity and other resources for long term of the food securities. How to achieve these sustainable developments? That is, restrict use of renewable resources, substitute non-renewable with renewable resources, and control pollutions and control the growth of populations. These are the different factors which are responsible for the damage of our sustainable developments. So we must achieve to these sustainable developments by these 3 or 4 points. One is that restricted the use of renewable resources, substitute non-renewable resources with the renewable resources, and input efficiency, pollution control, and control also populations, control the growth of populations. So these are the different methods which way we can achieve to our sustainable developments. Thank you.